Be shot in seconds, say what matters. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday announced that India's ambitious Sudarshan Chakra air defense shield will soon become operational, underlining the country's growing self-reliance in advanced military technologies. Speaking at the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, headquarters in New Delhi during its 68th Foundation Day celebrations, Singh expressed strong confidence in DRDO's capability to deliver the complex project within the envisioned framework. The Defense Minister highlighted the decisive contribution of indigenously developed defense systems during Operation Sindoor. India's military response to 22nd April terror attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, which claimed the lives of 26 civilians. According to Singh, the successful deployment of indigenous weapons systems during the operation demonstrated the maturity and reliability of India's defense research ecosystem. Operation Sindoor clearly showed how critical air defense systems have become in modern warfare, Singh said. He emphasized that the nature of contemporary conflicts has evolved, with aerial threats such as drones, missiles, and loitering munitions playing a central role. In this context, a robust, multi-layered air defense shield like Sudarshan Chakra is essential to protect both civilian infrastructure and strategic military assets. The Sudarshan Chakra air defense system is envisioned as an integrated network capable of detecting, tracking, and neutralizing a wide range of aerial threats across different altitudes and ranges. Once operational, it is expected to significantly enhance India's defensive capabilities, reduce dependence on foreign systems, and strengthen deterrence against hostile forces. Singh praised DRDO scientists, engineers, and technical staff for their dedication and innovation, stating that their work is vital for achieving the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, in defense manufacturing. He reiterated that the government would continue to provide full support to DRDO for research, development, and faster induction of indigenous systems into the armed forces. Expressing optimism, Singh concluded by saying that he was confident DRDO would achieve the Sudarshan Chakra goal with full commitment, further reinforcing India's position as a capable and confident defense power in an increasingly complex global security environment. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.